Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. You these three lipsticks that are from NYB. So these are three shades from NYB. Two are shades of red and one is hot pink. So I'll be using this hot pink as my liner. So let's get started. So for prepping my skin, I'll be using this DIY primer plus setting spray. So it is homemade. If you didn't know, I made a video on this. Next I am using Biotique Bio Wheat Germ Night Cream. It's a very moisturizing cream, very good for dry skin. Next is this Ayu sunscreen lotion. It is very liquidy and gets easily absorbed to the skin, and you should always wear sunscreen in summer season. Now I am using Pond's BB cream, which is light and sheer in coverage. Now I am blending this all using a beauty blender. Take time to blend all your foundation. Now I am using lip balm from Baby Lips. It has no color, only shine. Now I am using Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown. So it has medium to sheer coverage, and it also has a peach undertone which color corrects my dark circles. Now to set my eyes, I am using Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell. Now I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and mainly focusing on the areas where I am having acne or pimples. I'll be using the Savannah Colors palette. This palette consists of 6 blushes and 1 bronzer and 1 highlighter. It's such an affordable palette. You can always go for it. Nice in pigmentation, and you can get like this 6 pans of blushes. So you could get like there are 4 variants. You could get any according to your need. So next I have used this bronzer shade in my crease, and I'll be using a brush like this. Number 5. So it has a very chemical kind of smell which I don't like, so I have stopped using this lipstick. Now using an eyeliner brush, I'll creating a bold wing eyeliner using this lipstick. Now using Faces Magnetized Kajal, I'll be taglining my upper waterline. Now using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara, I will be coating my upper lashes. Now I am taking a flat shader brush and using the bronzer shade from Savannah Colors palette, and I will be contouring my nose as well as my face. And for blusher, I will be taking the same palette and using the third color from the first row. Now taking the ash brown color from the Maybelline the Nudes palette and filling my eyebrows. If you want natural looking brows, fill with lighter stroke. Start from the tail of the eyebrow going to the front section. Now using a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, I will be combing my brows. Now using the bronzing shade from the Savannah Colors palette, I will be smoking out my lower lash line. Now I am gently rubbing the fingers to get it warm. Now I am using the highlighter shade from the Savannah Colors palette. Put it all over my face. Warming up the fingers will give more natural type of glow to your skin. Now again using the Faces Magnetized Kajal, I will be waterlining my eyes. Now taking the highlighter shade again and highlighting my inner corners. Now again taking the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact, I will be setting the rest of my face. Again taking the Maybelline mascara, I will be coating my lower lashes. Now using DIY setting spray to set my face. You can get the link of this setting spray in my description box. Now using a Damn Beauty blender to soak up the excess setting spray from my face. Now using Essence lip gloss which has a peachy undertone. If you like this look, please comment and let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.